going to be demonstrating an online recipe of vanilla cupcakes. Because sometimes they have the recipe, you don't really know how to do it. And I've done this before, so like, it's my first time. Okay, so in the bowl of your electric mixer, or with the hand mixer, beat the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Okay, well, how much butter do we need? We need a half cup of butter. Half cup. Now it says softened. This is what softened is. Why it says softened? It's because some people think you just throw the sticks in there. That's not what you do. You need softened. Like soft, fluffy, like a cloud. Even though this butter doesn't feel like much of a cloud. That's what cotton candy is. Okay. Well, this looks about 1/2 cup to me. Okay. So let's spoon that to this spoon. Okay. So let's put the butter in there. Just need to measure it out. And then we're going to need the sugar. Continuing this, the sugar. So we're going to need 2/3 cup. Really, not that many stores carry like 2/3 cups. So I just use 2 1/3 cups. Okay. This is the second one. Really, when it says granulated white sugar, it means like this type, which you can find at the 99-cent store. Okay. So now, these things are very dangerous. Don't leave your fingers in there when it's on. Okay. So it says beat the butter and the sugar until light and fluffy. See? And also what it says is you're going to need to add the eggs one at a time. So you're going to need 3 eggs. 3 large eggs, but I'm using medium. See how that works out? We have to settle with medium. Alright. You see, it asked you to beat it until it's like perfectly light and fluffy. So then after it's like that, we're going to add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. So let's add one of these little medium babies. Yeah. The nice sound of eggs. Alright. So you need to make sure that you beat the eggs well each time that you add one. So I'm just going to stop it. Make sure you don't get any shells in there, because no one wants to eat a shelly cupcake. Oh, almost forgot. And at this time, you're also going to want to put in your vanilla extract. So, I'm going to get out my handy. And I'm going to need 1 teaspoon. Okay. I had exactly 1 teaspoon left. Now, why I did that is because you don't want it to get too runny. So it's just better instead of like beating the egg and then you beat the vanilla extract and it gets like all liquid. Alright, so we got this. Now, in a separate bowl, which I have right here, whisk together the lemon zest, flour, baking powder, and salt. But I'm not going to need any salt because I used salted butter. So you don't need to put that 1/4 teaspoon of salt in there. So I'm going to zest a lemon. And it's better to use this side really. The pieces come out better. You can actually taste it better. So I'm going to go get it. I'm going to grate this lemon. And it takes a while, but it's worth it.
Smells great.
Yep, like lemon. If you don't want your lemon zest small, you can use this side. So I think I want them big, so I'm going to use this side. Just a little difficult. You need to put your power in there.
Awesome. It's good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And it said the zest of a small lemon like this. I used one straight from a tree. Those usually get you a better taste, but you can also get organic lemons. That counts. That tastes good too. Those are the two type of lemons that I think you should use, from a tree or organic. It's pretty good. I don't think I can get any more zest out of this without killing myself. Okay, so whisk together the lemon zest, which I just zested right now. You're gonna get like about this much. Don't be disappointed with how much you got. Like, oh, I didn't zest enough. No, that's enough. Flour, you're gonna need 1.5 cups. I use 1 cup and a half cup. So just all-purpose baking flour. And you're gonna need to whisk it, so I'm gonna get a whisk. Well, now you're gonna whisk together your zest from your 1 small lemon, and you're going to add the flour. So separate bowl, mix together the lemon zest, flour, and the baking powder. That's right. So you're going to need 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder. So here's my 1 teaspoon. Just empty it out. So here's a teaspoon. Just level that out. Just do it here. So here's 1 teaspoon. And I'm going to go get my 1/2 teaspoon. Don't go anywhere. That looks pretty half to me. I think a little more just in case. Alright. So now I'm going to whisk that together with my handy whisker. Gotta whisk it good. Some people think you just gotta whisk it down. Okay, no, you gotta whisk it good until you see that it's like fully whisked, even though all the ingredients are white. But you still know that it's mixed. They're on low speed, so on the second, we're going to add a little bit of the flour mixture, my 1 cup of milk, and then the rest of the flour mixture, and we're going to be adding that to the liquid mixture. Your flour mixture into here, and now I'm going to mix it with my mixer. Alright, so I'm done. It smells delicious, looks delicious. I just want to gobble it down. I'm not going to do that because we need to make cupcakes. So now we're going on to the cupcake filling step. Alright. Well, you're going to fill all these up halfway, and you're going to bake them 17 to 20 minutes or until they look pretty golden brown. To check, you can just use a toothpick and put it through the middle to make sure that it's done. So happy baking. Bye.